The CUTTY Sark Studio Theatre. We all love to be entertained, and the people of London are no exception. Home to the world-famous West End Theatre District, the city also has a theatre that might raise a few eyebrows, the CUTTY Sark Studio Theatre. This unique performance space is unlike any other theatre in the UK because it's inside a ship. One of London's most famous tourist hotspots, the CUTTY Sark, has attracted visitors for many years before this incredible addition. During the day, the boat acts as a museum where visitors can explore the vessel's cargo hold to get a taste of life at sea in the 19th century. However, in the evening, the cargo chests aren't the only thing in the heart of the ship. The same space can be turned into an intimate theatre in around an hour that seats up to 110 people. The studio theatre hosts a wide variety of performances, such as comedies, music concerts, and drama. So, the next time you fancy a show with a difference, come trip the light fantastic on the 7 seas.